Contractors, April 15th is almost here. Many are leaving thousands on the table this season without even realizing it. I'm Kim Clenney, and I help contractors get every deduction they qualify for before tax day. Today I'll break down 5 deductions you can't miss and give tips to make tax prep easier before the deadline. By following these tips, you can save money and stay ahead of April 15th. Let's start with the first deduction that can save you money right away. Tools and equipment are often overlooked because people think only big purchases count. Everything bought for your job can be deducted. For example, a roofer may buy $1,200 nail gun that's fully deductible. Even smaller items like drill bits, replacement batteries, or safety gear add up over the year. The key is to keep receipts organized by purchase date or by project. That way, when it's time to file, you don't miss anything and you can justify your deductions if asked. Speaking of things that help your work, your vehicle is another area contractors miss when tracking expenses. Your truck, van, or work vehicle is a business tool. You can deduct mileage or actual expenses like fuel, maintenance, insurance, and depreciation. For instance, driving to multiple job sites in one day adds up. Keeping a daily mileage log or using an app can make a big difference. Even a few hundred missed miles could cost you hundreds or thousands in lost deductions. Some contractors save more using the standard mileage rate, while others benefit more from actual expenses, depending on how much they drive. Knowing which method works best can put money back in your pocket. Vehicles help you get to the work, but your workspace itself can also create savings. A dedicated office space, whether at home or on site, can also qualify for deductions. This includes part of your rent, utilities, or repairs as long as the space is used regularly for business. Contractors who use a corner of their home to do estimates and invoices can deduct a portion of electricity and internet costs. On a job site, a trailer or a temporary office also counts for work purposes. Keeping clear documentation and noting the percentage of space used for the business makes claiming the deduction easier and safer. Now that we've covered your tools, your transportation, and your workspace, let's talk about people. You pay to help you get the job done. Payments to subcontractors are deductible as business expense. Tracking invoices and issuing proper 1099s is essential. For example, a plumber hiring a helper for a commercial job might pay $3,000 in labor. That $3,000 reduces taxable income if tracked correctly. Avoid cash payments without records. Documentation protects your deductions and ensures everything is compliant with the IRS. Finally, don't overlook the smaller expenses that still add up over time. Business insurance, licenses, and permits are deductible. A contractor paying $800 for liability insurance and $150 for licenses can reduce taxable income by nearly $1,000 just for these items. Keeping these receipts in one place and updating the folder monthly keeps tax prep painless and reduces the chance of missing deductions. Separate personal and business expenses using dedicated accounts. Mixing them creates confusion and can make deductions harder to claim. Organize documents before April 15th to avoid last-minute stress. Small mistakes like missed receipts or untracked mileage add up quickly. Double-check worker classifications when you hire employees or subcontractors. Misclassification can cost money or trigger IRS scrutiny. Being proactive is always easier than fixing mistakes at the last minute. Book your free 30-minute tax prep session. We'll review your income, uncover missed deductions, and give a checklist to get you ready for April 15th. Taking a 30-minute now can save thousands in taxes and remove last-minute stress. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tax tips and financial strategies. Staying organized, making tax season simple, and keeps money in your pocket. Book your session today and take control of your taxes.